What's going on, guys? Abe again, here with Christopher, and we are pulling a vacuum on the compressor that we just put in. For whatever reason, they gave us a bigger filter dryer. That's why it pops out like that. But they also gave us these connections, which is great. We didn't have it before, but now you can definitely tell some good pressures. So it's going to be great. Can't wait to get this bad boy up and running here in a few. We're at 587, trying to get down below 500. Gonna do a little standard test to make sure there's no leaks. We did pressure test it with nitrogen. It held at 150 psi, so for a good 15-20 minutes. So far no leaks, and so far everything's pulling down pretty good. Christopher did all the brazing, so he did a really good job. So can't wait to get